Between balancing my crazy personal and professional life, there isn't enough time in the day to eat how I should be. That's why I use Meaningfull Foods to keep me healthy and save time. I order right from my phone every week. You have to try this. Get your order in by Thursday at 11 p.m. and they deliver on Sunday for you to eat all week. It's so convenient to have a healthy pre-cooked meal that's ready to heat and eat in 2 minutes. I take them to work for lunch or just take an evening off from cooking so I can relax for once. Every meal tastes amazing and is gluten, dairy, and refined sugar-free, so I know I'm treating my body well. They're also made locally and fresh right here by professional chefs every week. I have so much free time now that I've taken up a new hobby, spend more time with my friends, and feel better about what I'm putting into my body. Start today and see what a difference eating meaningful makes.